So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Last day of the week. Happy Friday. So, well, yesterday was a very nice trade into the Tokyo session again. Tokyo session give us two full take profit this week, 110 pips in positive, and a really nice profit in 36.55. As usual, I advise the into the Discord the position, and then just share the position into the Telegram channel. It was a beautiful trade. Hopefully, many people can take it. I received some messages into the WhatsApp. Some people take it, so that's beautiful. That's great. I know for other people, for United Kingdom, for example, for other countries, it's difficult to trade Tokyo session. So I will try to find a good position here. We have the same cell zone. This is the last cell zone for for the sellers. So let's see what we have. So now we need to wait the retracement. Well, deconfirmation, guys. The confirmation is what we need. If we want to open the the position, sailing is here. LMS is here. Perfect, my friend. Brain dump. Saludos, Rafael. Vamos a verlo por aquí. Eh, my friend, for Hello Spring Cell, if you don't like it, don't come here, my friend. I'm not going to remove my sponsor just for one subscriber. Even you're not a member. Just telling you don't like it. If you don't like it, just don't go. This is not your channel. Farsana, hello. Tokyo session. Did extremely well this week. Yes, Luca was beautiful. Tokyo session was beautiful. Let's go. Yeah, let's try to do something here. Let's try to do something here. Again, it's the same position, so well we can try the position there. It looks like a W. That's the thing. What I don't like. But if we see a different like the but let's see. We need to wait the confirmation. It's Friday, so take it easy, relax. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened with the positions. And well, talking about talking about the ads, guys. Remember, we're a sponsor. We have the perfect match.com. There, if you are thinking to open a challenge, just go into the link. I will share the link into the chat. Profitmatch.com. You will see the best information about the um, the best prop firm companies into the market. It will help you to clarify your decisions for what is the best company or what is your best option for your knowledge or for your country. All the companies are different, so all the companies have a different rules, different times to clarify informations and everything. But the good thing in this website, you can see all the comments and the reviews for the different people around the world, and that's the that's the deal when you have if you go into the profitmatch.com. Go there before you open any or apply any challenge. Read the comments, read the reviews for clarify that information. So just click into the link. Um, See that beautiful offers and that beautiful information, guys. Mr. Dorito, I will join your Telegram, my friend. Perfect, as usual. Same by here. If you need signals for your own account or just pass your challenge into any prop firm, just go into the WhatsApp. It's $79, 1 year subscription for the Telegram, guys. Okay. Yesterday, the people into the Telegram received a really nice entry into the 36.55. That was a beautiful trade. Alain Millward, That's great. That's make me happy. To you can take the entry. That's awesome. You can take the trade. This was beautiful. Was beautiful. I opened the position in 36.55. Then go to TP1. It tests the point sometimes, but then full TP with no too much issues. I fall asleep. But I just set my break even, and that's it. I would say like, okay, let's see what happened with this. And when I wake up, I just see the full TP. So that was a beautiful, beautiful surprise. I think it's the best feeling when you just go to sleep. Um, and just when you wake up, you see the profit there. Was beautiful. Regrets here for Swam Rahatu. He's a subscriber. He said, I mean, yesterday he made $67 in profit and $45 in profit with the last signal. So he's so happy with the profit. So that's great. Beautiful. Beautiful. Uh, So well, let's see if we can find a good reaction here. To be honest, I prefer to open the long position. I prefer to open a long position. But well, let's see in what moment it will touch the position here. I mean, if you don't understand, probably this is not your channel, my friend. Sorry. Sí, de hecho, José, hoy me desperté un toque temprano, revisé y me quedé ahí, me quedé durmiendo, la verdad. Tony, welcome, my friend. The way I sell for 65, I prefer to wait the 40, 36, 46, to be honest, for open the long position or the sell position around 36, 56. Let's see. So, well, let me clarify the positions here. Yes, we are near to the resistance into the 36.55. It's normal. It's the volume sells on too. So, So yes, let's see. Just if the price touch the 36.56, I will open the position. If not, we will wait the 36.46. That's a simple plan. That's a simple plan. Gonna scope in a range. Yeah, so probably we will stay here for some minutes. It depends. It depends for what we have in the next minutes. So well, hard reaction now. So we will test the bison. You have the bison, the 36, the 36.47 and the 36.40. So let's see and let's prepare the entry. It depends. Well, massive reaction for this entry. Vamos a ver, I wish touched by sun. Hola, en el caso de una 3346, pero esto para abajo. Sí, o sea, puede ponerlo, yo diría unos máximo 50 pips de su punto de entrada. Break the neckline. What happened now? Well, now it will test the 3646. So pure patience, guys. Pure patience. It's Friday, remember? So we need to take care of the. Can you also Spanish? Can you teach us Spanish? Because I just love it. Well, if the I speak Spanish into the Discord, into the Discord. If someone need support in Spanish, I was speaking in Spanish. Um, and that's it. So waiting, guys, waiting. For for Don Jones. For Don Jones, I think we have the correction in this moment. It's falling, so we can try a long position in Don Jones if touch the break of a structure. But at this moment, it didn't touch the break of a structure. Oh, guys, I already explained. Trading is not for being happy. It's not a place for being happy. Um, so well, even when we win the trade yesterday in Tokyo session, um, trading is not a happy place. Trading is not a happy place. We need to stay focused always. Um, well, that's the thing is it's like that, you know. So well down, it's giving us a correction. Let's check. Nasdaq is into the 80H. Probably we will try the long position in US 30. That would be great. Hmm. So well, hard reaction for into the 3647. Cuando entras en 47, no. Oh, no, primero tenemos que esperar la confirmación. Y the price ends like this, it gives us the confirmation. Um, but well, let's wait these 9 minutes. I don't like these reactions, like really hard reactions and everything. So well, it's better just wait. It's better just wait. This candle ends. As you can see, it touched the bison. It touched the bison. So for that reason, it's time to wait. So well, 7 minutes. Skiller Blog, my friend, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien por aquí? Todo bien por aquí. Adrián Avancea, sí, I have a buy position in 3640. Guys, speaking English, okay, speaking English or Spanish. Saludos Karelin, siempre por aquí. Es bueno verla por aquí siempre. Un abrazo. Estamos esperando igual el retroceso y que nos dé la confirmación. ¿Cuál es la confirmación? Un pin bar, como lo que está haciendo ahorita. Y luego nos tiene que dar el retroceso al punto de entrada. Entonces vamos a esperar que nos deja por aquí esto. Seguimos esperando. Recuerde que igual cuando mando la confirmación la mando al chat y dice I'm into a long position or into a buy position. Something like this. So yes, guys. Guys, I need to explain something today. Um, guys, English. English. One more, I will block all the people who are speaking in all the other languages. English or Spanish. English or Spanish. Thanks, Roof. I really appreciate that. Something what I need to explain is um when to sell, when to buy it. Waiting this 4 minutes, I will take advantage for explaining. Some people is asking like, um, yeah, Josh, I've seen your comment. So what did he say? If you say something bad, I can block him. Okay, for him, sorry, my friend. I already, I already explained like no more messages in other languages. More than 5 years, my friend. More than 5 years because my other work for Hit More was customer service in call centers. So for that reason, I don't have the money for study. So as everyone here, I saw the many ads with the many traders showing beautiful life and everything. So for that reason, I first start with that. Then I understand trading it's not about how much you're going to win. It's about how much you're prepared to lose. And well, nowadays I'm here. I'm here um, with my two accounts. I'm good with my two accounts. No too much issues. And well, different profits. Everyone have a different profits, guys. Here it's for understand, learn the positions. I always ask when we're in profit how much you win because for clarify, everyone have a different profits. Everyone have different accounts. Um, that's simple, guys. I pretend to I not pretend to to have the profits like me. You um, because probably I win more money with most of the people here. Um, well, you don't need to compare. You don't need to compare with no one because the process is for yourself. The process is for yourself. The race is you versus you. No, you versus Laurito. So Laurito made $1,000 in 1 week, for example. Um, I really want to make one. You think like I really want to make $1,000 in 1 week, like this guy, and that's not the reality, guys. That's not the reality. Probably you need to suffer a lot if you want to generate that type of profits first. So for that reason, always don't compare with no one. Just try to learn and understand, follow instructions, follow instructions. That's the really important. Well, yes, just my advice always is yes. Sorry, my dogs were barking for that reason. I mute. So well, guys, at this moment, non confirmation. So well, I will explain here. Waiting the confirmation. Waiting the confirmation. So yes, don't compare with no one. Don't compare to no one. Your process is different than my process, or your process is different than the people into the chat. Something very important: the people into the chat most of the time just don't care about no one. Um, and that's the reality. That's the reality, guys. I'm the only one. What I'm going to say here, well, LMS is my mood at this moment, as usual. He will advise, but the others probably will disappear tomorrow. So for that reason, always, guys, if you are going to another channels or just stay here, follow the instructions. It's very important. It's very important. Well, just trust in the process, and the process probably will take many years. A brain dump for sure, my friend. Proper match. Let's take an advantage for explain what is a proper match. Proper match. Just follow the link. I will share the information there. It's a nice website that you will rate the proper companies. The proper companies. So if you go there, you will see all the information about the many companies like FDMO, FXA5, Five Traders, Blue Guardians, well, many reference companies, and all the people there rate the results with them, the experience with them. So the best rated there, that means many people go into the propermatch.com and they rate the information there. So just if you are interested into the proper challenge, yes. The thing is, they are not random. They are not a proper company. They rate the old proper companies. Okay, so you can go there. You can read the comments about different companies, and you can choose your proper. If you want the challenge, you can choose different, and of course they will give you discounts and offers if you use the website. But the thing is, all the people here, all the people there, for example, I really enjoy the FXI5. To be honest, I really enjoy the FXI5. But most of the people, they don't like the FXI5. So well, what happened? The people go into the proper match and um they rate the proper match. I don't like proper match for this reason because this situation happened to me. For that reason, I didn't recommend. It's simple. It's like it's a website who you can rate the all the proper match. Many people enjoy the FTMO, for example. The FTMO it's there is one of the oldest and um and the traders go there, rate the positions, and you can inform and get the information there, guys. So well, that's the link into the promptmatch.com. Make me a favor, click into the link, go and check the information there. Okay. Thanks for the interest. I really appreciate that. Into the propermatch.com. I really enjoyed this project. This project is beautiful. I think it's really helpful. Really helpful to clarify the the questions when you want to open a challenge. So just go into the propermatch.com, my friend. So well, guys, waiting the confirmation, guys. Waiting the confirmation. Wafe, does really trader make a lot of money, my friend? Well, some traders make many money. Uh, by my side, I think it's like normal earns. And well, this is the this is the deal. This is the deal. Sometimes you have a pretty good profits. For example, I just wake up. When I wake up, I saw the profit for around $600 with no too much risk. Why? Because I just go to sleep and I share the signal into the Telegram. I shared the signal into the Telegram. It was a full take profit, and I didn't do any partial. So it was great. Was really nice. But for some people, 600 is not that much. For other people, it's too much. So for that reason, I said like you don't need to compare. You don't need to compare with no one. Your process is your process. Um, it doesn't matter what I'm going to win in a one trade because you are not going to um you're not going to enjoy my money. You are not going to do nothing with my money. So so that is the reason. That is the reason. My alms is my money is my money, and your money is your money. It doesn't matter what they're going to win in one trade, because that feeling like you are comparing with the other traders will um, will help you. Same, sorry, my friend, but you always say the same thing. When I won the trade, just you disappear as usual. So so if you're going to do any comment, say it with basis, not just saying 07 just like this, you know. And then when I win the TP1, TP2, just you disappear with no, with nothing. Hussein, yes, $79 is by my side. It's good, Um, it's really accessible for the people. And it's an option, if you don't want to use the Telegram, That's okay by my side. If you don't want to use the Discord, it's okay by my side. Well, and that's the deal, guys. The deal always, 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 always. It's the you don't need you don't need to um, to compare with no one. That's a really that's an issue, to be honest. That's an issue if you compare with a different compare your wallet with the other wallets. And a difference between Telegram and Discord. Um, yes, for example, in Telegram looks like this. Telegram looks like this, for example. I would say Tokyo session, Tokyo session. Preparing long position goal, waiting the retracement. Nothing happened. Goal arriving into the cell zone, waiting the proper confirmation to open a cell. This is the last cell zone, and we wait the confirmation. Then I share the instructions to open the cell. Point of entry, stop loss, the TPs. TP1 really fast that was the entry in Tokyo. Then I explained like you need to sleep, set the break even, and take care of the trade. Some minutes later, TP2, and then this morning, full take profit for that trade. And then just information at New York session, preparing a sell position gold. That right now it's different, arriving into the buy zone, so preparing a long position and preparing. It's just me talking and sharing my ideas about the trades. Here, for example, in Discord is the same. It's like waiting the retracement around into the sun. That's the point of interest. Same in here, for example, in well, the suns for yesterday was this one, the 36.55. Then, well, little confirmation. I said the 36.55 was the point of entry. Well, waiting the confirmation. And the trade looks like this. Just the trade open and share many information. Here, for example, as usual, again, someone is asking me. Well, Farsa is asking me for check the information into the USD gem. So it looks great at this moment. Open a long position USD gem. Discord is the same. Include the pre-recorded videos for the pre-recorded strategy. Trading news is the same. Trading important facts about the news and everything. Learning forex is the same. Videos, links for videos, books. You can find many things in Discord if you want to learn. That's the difference between Telegram. Telegram is just for signals, and Discord is just for understand the signals and learn. Okay, guys, going back for the second entry. So let's see what happened here. Right, gold is dropping so hard because gold can group them. And then by now, yeah, I think it's enough for sending in 07. We will see. Bloquear. So well, as I told you guys, waiting. Remember, we are waiting. This is the bison, yes, but we are waiting the confirmation. We're waiting the confirmation, guys. The trade is not, it's not confirmed this moment. Okay, so let's see what happened. Liquidity for London session, yes. Sniper is here. Well, nice to see you, my friend. Waiting the confirmation. So, this moment the price is breaking the sun. So let's see what happened. Let's see if the price can go back here, for example, can break the position there. Let's see around 36. Just we need to break the 0.5 for continue with the long position. So let's see what happened. Waiting. I'm waiting. So this 30 minutes is decisive. It's decisive for take the entry. Remember, we're waiting. The confirmation is not here. Confirmation is not here at this moment. Uh, book book nice. Hello, my friend. Okay, yes, I forget the. I need to check the USD gem. Sorry. Okay, here in 4 hours we have the volume. Volume is there. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me check the 1 hour. Looks great. Not a thousand at this point. We don't have a candle with a thousand. Sellers looks strong. Yes, it looks strong, guys. Okay, so it will test the second sun probably. Let's see. 9 minutes more. 9 minutes more, guys. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. Perfect, my friend Sniper. Nice to see you here. Nice to see you here. Or for Gem and Grim is the same. Nice to see you here, Gem, Grim. I wonder what's already losing. Having no more trade. Guys, relax. It's Friday. It's time to wait. Remember here, waiting the confirmation. Price is breaking the sun. So, well, that means we will test the second sun. That's the only that's the result for that reaction there for sellers. So let's wait the 3640. Waiting the retracement. Waiting, waiting the retracement. Guys, remember the trade is not confirmed. For that reason, we are waiting the confirmation. Okay, as simple as that. Mhm. So well, let me read the chat. Well, the trade was here in 36.52, but as you can see, it gives us the confirmation without retracement. So probably I would not take that position even if I have the sales on there. So well, at this moment it's falling. It's falling. The thing is, the price will not fall that much. Mm, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Yes, we have a beautiful candle here. Let me clarify the chart. Sorry. So well, this is the LB there, the order block there. So for that reason, we got this position there. This is the okay. Mhm. So well, we can try the 41. Looks like a strong point. But we need to the price retest, at least retest the point. So let's see what happened. We have time, many times, many hours. Many hours. Don Jones is almost into the volume by some. Volume by some. Oh, wait. Hmm. What is the confirmation waiting? So recently joined, quite new to this. Juan Pia, Juan Pia Duplessis. So well, basically we have two confirmations now. What is the two confirmations now? First of all, if we go back and break the 36.45, we will have another position there, another possible entry. There's the 2 points. What I will try: 36.45, 36.41. Waiting, guys. Just waiting. Just waiting. Waiting the confirmation. Uh, Okay. Very far the sun needs to sell some into the Euro USD. Okay, let me clarify the positions into the Euro USD. Mhm. 4 hours. Resistance. Rates. By people. Waiting, guys. Waiting. Rita, how do you confirm this? Please teach us. I already explained you guys. We need to break the 0.5 first and then wait the retracement. Or now we got the really nice volume, really nice volume. So we will try it if the price go back to 36.41. It's a good point. So I know some people it's in the let me read the comment for Juan Pierre Duplessis. So once it breaks through, do we take the buy or we wait the retrace a smaller transfer? Yes, we wait the retracement. So well, let's see. It's just 7 minutes more. 7 minutes more. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. We have many hours. Many hours, guys. See? Okay, boy. Waiting, guys. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 'Let's see what happened. We need to continue like this for the next 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes, guys. Uh, 5 minutes. Let's expect not too much reaction. Um, what means not too much reaction? The price is still there, near to the 36.45. Um, so well, bum, 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 bum. The smell here in my office, it's beautiful. My wife did the breakfast now. I'm just waiting this entry for go to eat. I'm hungry. Early internet trade, no. Me moví un momento, no sé si entraste, Caroline, querida, no, todavía no. Estamos esperando esos 2 minutos para la confirmación y el retroceso. In the retracement, guys. Now, 2 minutes. The trade is almost confirmed. So let's be prepared. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Preparados. Ya casi vamos a meter la entrada. Ok, US, ahí está. Sigue ahí, ¿dónde está el NAS? Ok. Vamos a ver. Let's expect this last candle ends near to that point, and then we will try to open the position. Okay. Trade is confirmed. Trade is confirmed at this moment. Just we need to wait the little retracement, and then we will open the position. Okay. Be ready. I don't want to see anyone like losing the position or something. Let's wait the retracement around 36.45, inclusive 36.46 could be a good point. Let's wait the little retracement, guys. Just we need the little retracement for open the position there. Arriving to 36.45. That's great. 36.45, inclusive 36.44 could be a good point. For your patience. Arriving finally to 36.45. 36.46. 36.45 finally. So waiting just the last seconds. 36.45. 36.44. Okay, this candle looks great. Finally, 36.45. 36.44 now. Best, great, better point. So well, let's prepare the entry now. I'm into a long position now. Estoy comprando ahora. Compres ya. To a long position now. Take your own risk. And control the lot size. Please. 36.44. 36. 41. Okay, so it's 47. So looks great. Mm-hmm. Perfecto. Okay. Let me work into the TPS. $36. 6, 15, 30 TP3. 36. 36, 50. 53. 40p. 36. 57. 36, 57. 36, 57. Good. Perfect. Good reaction. Good. Really good reaction. 79. I don't remember. Let's see. Point. Uh, 36.50. So second point. TB2. This one. 53. Okay, let me see. Perfect. So there we are. To the trade. Let's see the reaction. I'm going to eat my breakfast, guys, to be honest. I'm very hungry. So well, the moods at here is if the moods block you, that's I can do nothing. So well, see you guys, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay. Well, guys, I was sitting. I was sitting. Sometimes I need to eat. And well, still there, sitting to the same trade. Um, Good reaction into the 36.44 at least. But of course, we need more. Now it's different. Now this candle break the zone of reaction. Well, the little zone of reaction where we're having here. So we need to go up at least to the point of entry and then break the 0.5. The 0.5 means the 36.46. So well, the position is there, still holding the same position. Let's see the process, what we have. Waiting. Let me Skiller Block is here. Nice to see you, my friend. Nice to see you, my friend. How was the breakfast? The breakfast was good. I always like to to do the breakfast with my family. It's the time when I'm really enjoying. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Again, we need to go back to our point of entry. Need to go back to our point of entry. Dorito, who are those green color mean commanders? Who are those green colored mean commanders? Who are those green color mean commanders? Brand, I'm sorry, but I don't understand the questions, my friend. The thing what he said like 0.5. Let's see the reactions. Candlesticks. Why wait your reserve? Financial figure level ups go up. Let's see. Let's see. We need to go back. We need nothing to celebrate at this moment. We're in negative. So, just guys, speaking English again. Speaking English. Uh, well, Point of entry, the ones who are not prepared to the mind, like feel very stressful, don't like the trade, don't resist, the pressure. This is your opportunity. Um, if not, you can hold with me. Even in this point, we can go straight to this stop loss. So we need to be prepared for all the results for the TPS or for the stop loss, guys. Remember, we're doing trading, so losses. I know this. This is reality. What was your question? Have you ever went there? Certified trader. What candle? Congrats to everyone. Well, congratulations when we touch the 36.48. Well, Jesus, guys. Uh, so, well, good reaction there, guys. Now is an decisive point. 36.45 is a must to break that point. Can we change the schedule, please? No, my friend. No, my friend. I have my schedule. The people, no, sorry, but the people needs to follow my schedule. I don't change the schedule for the people. People need to change the schedule if they want to follow me. And if they for because some people, for example, some people in for United Kingdom tell me like, I can follow your entry um in Tokyo session, and I say, my friend, I know for United Kingdom probably it's a very early, like 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. But well, this is by my side is the same. It's Tokyo session is for 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. It's late. Yesterday, for example, some people from United Kingdom asked me like, okay, beautiful trade, but I can take it because I was sleeping and everything. It was 4 a.m. by my side. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade for more than 100 trade, 100 pips. 100, 100 pips in Tokyo session, and explain him like, sorry, my friend, but if you know, if you are into the Telegram, you know my schedule, and if you want to make easy money, just wake up 4 a.m. It's not that hard. Wake up 4 a.m. in Tokyo session. It's not that hard. Uh, and well, it's a it's a good deal. For Tokyo session, we made three trades this week, two full take profits, and just one stop. So it was nice. There was one because the volume is dead after London. Certified, yes, most of the time it's slow, but we have volume. So yes, Brian Dom, see you, my friend. Yes, the Indian people here is more than welcome. Just they need to speak English, and don't be rude because sometimes they are a little rude. Well, C Block, I think C Block is for United Kingdom. He made it. He know my schedule. He's part of the Telegram. So that's great. That's great. Some people, if they want to follow the schedules, that's nice. But I'm not going to change my times. Um, Sorry, but this is the reality. I have many months, many years doing the same things in the same schedules. So, so it's impossible. It's impossible. What do you trade? Tokyo Session, Aurito, Alex Castro, gold. I trade gold in Tokyo Session. Abdul, if you ask for a discount of you, I can give you a discount. I don't have many issues with that, you know. Um, yes, that's the thing. It's trying to be fair, you know, because some people is like, I just have $10, and I say sorry, but that is not that's not a good deal by my side, you know. When you started trading, how much was gold? How much was gold at that time? I remember gold in 1,200. I remember when everyone said like, well, the people what I follow said like gold never going to pass the the 100 and 500. And when that happens, it was a crazy day. And when gold passed the 100, 500, no return, you know, no return. Now we are in 300, 600, 3,600. Yes, I remember 1,200, 1,200 gold when I was starting in trading. And I remember Bitcoin in 6 6,500. Sorry, 6,000, 5,000. I remember those days. Um, and I remember one day when I was working for PayPal, and when I was working for PayPal, I remember Bitcoin in 300. And I remember when I asked my coworker, like, do you know, do you think it's a good idea to invest $300 in Bitcoin? Christian Cordero is the name of my coworker. He told me like, no, this is a pure bullshit. You know, I remember, I remember that guy. He was a really nice friend, but he was the worst advice what he told me at this point, because in this point I really want to. I was my savings was for $400, and I asked him like, do you I have $400. Do you think invest $400 in Bitcoin is a good idea? Um, and he told me no, he was a pure bullshit. I really trust in that guy, Christian Cordero. If you are seeing me, my friend, love you, bro. But next time, next time, don't advise the people, you know, about the financial things. Then the time passed, and well, I saw the Bitcoin in maximums five 5,000, 6,000. So yes. So well, beautiful. We have a reaction here into the point of entry. We need to break the 36.47 in order to continue. So well, probably some people have a better position than me. So best blue numbers. Yes, probably I'm not here if I invest my money. But the thing is, what happened? What happened with that? Uh, Probably I will not hold, that trade, that Bitcoin. Probably because those days I didn't know about nothing about Bitcoin. Probably if I invest my $400 and that Bitcoin touch the 1,000, for example, I will sell it for sure. For sure, in those days, uh, immediately I will just sell it. You know, that's the thing. People say like it's easy. It's easy. Just if I do something, but that things never happen. That things never happen. You need the mind for and a strong mind for whole positions. Um, 3, 4, 5 years. My cousin is one my I want to say my mentor. One of my mentors in stocks. He's holding He's holding always stocks, McDonald's, Nvidia, more than I don't know 8 years holding just Nvidia, Amazon. He's still there. He's 45 years old, and he said like I'm going to sell all my stocks, all my actions when I'm going to be into the 60s. But he have a strong mind, so that's the difference. Some people is a trader and some people is an investors. For being investor, you need to have a really strong mind, really strong mind. For have the patience, probably in the next 2 or 3 years, I will be not a trader. It's not. I will be an investor. Just giving my financial advisors and holding my positions for many years. But for being investor, you need to have real good money. For being an investor, you need to be a very good money. So that's my road. I really want to be an investor, uh, and then I will. How about us? If you quit trading, my friend, for that, probably for that thing happens in the next 3, 4 years. So don't worry about that. So the people who pay me the lifetime subscription, we will be in touch for many many years. So now looks great, but we need to break that point. We need to break that point in 5 minutes. It's almost break it, but we need more pressure. We need more pressure for buyers. Where did you learn trading? Um, the basis of trading, I learning with one guy in Top Trading. It's the name of the academy. That guy is for Colombia. Very nice. I understand too much about break of a structure, support and resistance. Was great. Was a great guy. Great advisor. So the price is trying to break this 36.47. Let's see what happened. Susanna, when gold was around 2000, nobody knew it would go. Yes, if someone. That's what I told you, Susanna. It's I remember when we were in 1200. People said like it's impossible to pass the 1500, for example. And when the price break the 1500, nothing is stopped anymore. But yes, it's that's the reality. No one knows. Now everyone is expecting to touch the 5,000 in the next years. So yes. Yes, yes. We're waiting. Probably this is the last trade of the week. I'm expect at least we can touch the TP2, TP3 again. If we break the 3648, we will touch the TP3 for sure. Many people is like this. Don Jones is still there. The thing is, it's not touching the sun. So so yes, I didn't want to touch the sun. So for that reason, I don't want to open the position. Let me update into the Discord. Uh, yeah, but done to touch. Okay, it's in the Graham is into the long position. Let me check USD. Okay, it looks great. Uh, 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 mhm. So let's see. This is the last candle in 10 minutes. Looks with some volume. Well, it looks like a doji. So last 5 minutes, it's important to be there. This is the last 5 minutes. What kind of dogs do you have, Marco? I have a husky and a Labrador. Larita, does your mentors offer classes? Yes, but this is for Spanish classes. Part. I think nowadays he's cheaper than me. So so yes, that's the sometimes it happen, when you have a mentor. And that's my expectation. I have many people into the Discord. At least 10 people will be better than me. That would be awesome. Um, I'm beginning. How loose did you suffer while learning Blocksters? My friend, I lose all my savings. I almost lose my savings. Wow, what's difficult then? What's with difficult years? Difficult years. Well, nowadays it's different. Thanks God, I continue. I never give up. Um, oh well, um, that's great. That's great. Ivan Pisoni, my friend, the monthly subscription disappear because most of the people disappear. At least I would say 10 people is into the Telegram channel for the last month, and they at this moment I try to contact them. They just block me. I don't know the users. I don't know the users. So for that reason, the um, the um, the monthly subscription disappear. Just you have two options: lifetime subscription or 1 year subscription, guys. $79 for the Telegram access. It affect me not too much. My wife and I love her, but those days was so difficult. So difficult. My family, every day was like this is not for you. Like, this is not for you. Um, you need to quick and pass. For finding other things. Continue working in customer service into the nowadays it's the same. My family is like probably you don't work or you're doing nothing because he every day saw me outside in my garden with my family. Well, they are working in the same works since last 5 years ago. $79 for your Telegram. Yes, it's a 1 year subscription. Exactly. 1 year subscription. It's not monthly subscription. It's a 1 year subscription for $79. Mux is here for about 9 months for me. Perfect. My friend Mux is one of the old all the members into my channels. What time gold close on Friday? The same hour. I don't want signals. I want to learn. So just go into the um, lifetime subscription, my friend Ivan Pisoni. Lifetime subscription. It's a $119. There I have a pre-recorded videos. For the last pre-recorded video, I I explain here how to use the AA as the AA stock analysis in ChatGPT. Um, probably it's very successful for many people. That's the last pre-recorded videos. The other pre-recorded videos is about the strategy and everything. So yeah, this is very helpful. Okay, thanks you. Okay, perfect, guys. Almost TP1. Capybara, copy my friend by PayPal or USDT. Yeah, it's working very very nice, Graham. I use it every day for clarify my mind because the AI um the AI it's really nice. It's really nice for clarifications because it give you many point of view, but you are not seeing in this moment. And well, that's the reactions, and the link for A is very useful. So I'm expect the people into the Telegram can use it and can improve with the guys. So well, TP1 guys, TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. Share your profits. Share your profits. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now very slow. Take some partials, guys. Take some partials. 32 pips with not too much risk. Now the B is optional. The B is optional. Take some partials. I know some people just close the entry and everything. Kerjam, so move to your point of entry. Depends. I would say take partials, at least reduce the stop loss to 10 pips, for example. By my side, by reducing the stop loss 20 pips. For that reason, the price is into the 36.43. And we'll hold the position. We'll go for an ATH today. No, not today. Giddy travel, my friend. That's crazy. And it's something what I explain you guys. If you want to be an investor, you need money. For $10,000, it's a good. For some people, it's not that much. For other people, it's too much. But yes, it's part of the deal. Asmat $75. That's great. Sac wants the full TP. 57 dollars for Drabicus. So well, TP1 guys, share your profits. $20, $45. That's great, guys. That's great. Juan Pierre Duplessis. If I only have one position open and can take some profits, should I rather close TP1? You can close it in TP1, my friend, or move the stop loss to your break even. That's it, simple. Then done, then get done. $125, $60 for C block. That's great, my friend. My dream $100. Let's see. I really want to. The price is a must to break this 36.48 if you want to see the TP2. Let's see what happened. Oh, the poster behind me. I made it here, my friend. In my country. For one guy. Yes. $30. 243. Zach is in 1,000. Treyton Carlos. Mm-hmm. That guy, Palaboy, my friend. Nice to see you here. $25. That's great. Well, it's supposed to be a little bit still. Okay, perfect. Compia. 1 p.m. Uh, yes. And guys, the Telegram, something what I need to explain. Telegram, it looks for all the entries is the same for all the people. All the entries is the same for the people in 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 Discord. All the entries is the same. The difference is it will saying it will change the information. It will change uh the clarify the entries and everything. Well, share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Susanita, TP2. Let's spec. We have the TP2. I'm in trading for the first time. I got the 3,000. That's too much, my friend Zach, but that's great. 81 for Drapicus. Boss, I'm out. $50. That's great, my friend Joseph. That's good. That's good. That's totally valid, guys. If you want to go out, it's totally valid. If you want just to set the break even, it's totally valid. If you want to take the 20% of your entry, it's totally valid. If you want to take the 50% of your entry, it's totally valid. Now in profit, you can do whatever you need um for feel comfortable, with your trade. Just feel comfortable with your profits. I know the more with the people with more experience um, can hold a little more. $896. That's great. That's great. The trade, Greg did a trading on GBP USD. Looks beautiful. Looks very nice. I have a 2000 account. If you join and follow your signals, how much Brooks only in my account? Sultan Madhut. It depends for $2,000. I would say it around $80, $120 around that point. Probably more, but it depends of your experience, my friend. It depends of your experience, to be honest. It depends of your DPS. Everything it depends for your experience. But I would say you can make very good money with 2,000 if you go into the Telegram for sure. Where is the sellers, my friend? Most of the time, um, Exactly. All depends of your win radio and risk radio factor. Exactly. It all depends for that. For 2000, if you follow the instructions in Telegram, you will be you will be okay. Ellie, yes. As you can see, when the trade starts, we were around 1,000 people, 1,000 people, and now we are in 850. When I touch the TP1, most of the people, well, some part of the people go out. I think that's the people what I'm seeing, and they like to see when I'm falling. Well, sorry for them. Sorry for them. This they lose this beautiful trait every day. You take a signal in Telegram. Yes, 2 4 entries per day in Telegram. Yes, it's something what I explain, guys. Everyone here. Um, Even if I lose, I'm going to stay here. Even if I win, I'm going to stay here. It doesn't matter what happened. I'm going to stay here. Alvin Mina. Um, the lifetime subscription is $119. Just contact me by WhatsApp and you will see the information. For Graham, it's a 17. I think I meet the Graham when he was in 16. Um, oh well, can you imagine, guys? When you was in a 17, trying to doing trading practice as a Graham. Nope. I remember when I was in 17, I was in a parties doing other stuff. But now he is focusing in trading, so that was beautiful. It's the time for start. So probably in 1 year more, 2 years more, it's going to be a beast. Lifetime is not for 291 USD. This is the last. The $291 is for the sessions directly with me, my friend. For example, last Wednesday, I'm explaining about the AI AI rule tool what we are using with ChatGPT. Well, the people go there and I will explain the information directly. Okay, thanks. Great sessions to you guys. You should try. Thanks, my friend. Thanks, my friend Karen. What is the volume strategy? The volume strategy again. The sessions with me, it's just doing the analysis to the market. If we have any specific topic, last Wednesday, for example, um, we'll clarify, the AI tool for the chat GPT. Um, well, the other is the pre-recorded videos. It's a must to see the pre-recorded videos and then the sessions, because into the sessions I just clarify if you have any specific questions about the strategy for the volume strategy. Perfect, Ram. We're getting 2K, 2K payout. Excellent, my friend. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's great. And the payment methods by PayPal or USDT, just in case. Okay. A new subscriber for Melasia. Love your strategy. Always come. Thanks, my friend. Iman Spaniard. Thank you. Reason how many trades considers you. Always confident in your plans with your calculation and assessment. Yes. Um, that's this situation. I will be in these situations for, I don't know, many times for these years. Same consolidation, same reactions for buyers, trap for sellers. Probably many people do the sell position. Well, uh, well, let's see. Let's see. By the way, I have a team behind your back, or you're working full independently. I just work with my wife. My wife answered the emails, and that's it. The other one, the ones who support me, Perform Match, beautiful website. Um, BT Market support me with the links, and of course, the moods who support me into the Discord. Um, well, I used to have many moods, like Graham, LMS. LMS is looking quiet today. Graham, Sniper, Curious. I used to have Jack. Jack is used to very useful too. But nowadays, Jack is he's in his own business, and I'm happy for him for sure. Rito, but what's your confirmation method called? I want to learn it. My friend, to be honest, BRAin is just the volume sums. Just the volume sums. Lorito, bro, what does confirm? Okay, yeah, already explain you. The method is the volume. I explained that the keys for understand the volume strategy into the Discord and into the private reading room too. Uh-huh. Well, it's Niga, yes, Niga for sure. Niga helped me with the a lot with the website. Really nice support for Niga. volume sums. Yes, TAM 24. So, well, guys, I was talking alone. Sorry, I was talking alone. I was talking alone. So, well, Graham, beautiful. Mooks, my friend. Yes, thanks. Really nice. Withdrawal. My friend Mooks. I remember Mooks was starting with the when we started the sessions. He told me and explained me he was able to hold the trades 20 pips and then he closed it. That was the main mistakes. Nowadays, I think, of course, um, he have a different point of view. That's beautiful when the people grow up. The people grow up, and you see the process, and you see the process. That's great. That's totally beautiful. As here, it's a lifetime you provide for goal one-time investment. Yes, it's one time. The lifetime is lifetime, and that means we will be together for many, many, many years. Many, many years. Yes, sorry, my microphone was done. Larry, do you have any tutorial on volume sums? Byron, I have the tutorial is into the Discord, my friend. It's into the Discord. Okay, TP2 guys, TP2. TP2 goals now. TP2 guys, TP2 guys, share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys, please. Now it's time to be in break even. It's time to be in break even. It's time to be in break even, guys. No option to don't be in break even. Break even. TP2. Break even. TP2, guys. Break even and TP2, guys. TP2, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Okay, let me see. Let me run down for the day. Mooks, my friend, thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Enjoy your weekend, my friend. I often fall asleep opening position following you. It seems your voice can make me complete. Chandler Summer, that's the idea, my friend. That's the idea. I practice my voice sometimes, yes, for try to stay calm, you know. Um, that's the idea. That's the idea. Everyone keep calm. Everyone receive more profits. So that's great. That's great. C block $50. That's great, my friend. Carlos Proaño. Una pregunta, consulta, ¿qué opinas de abrir más posiciones, subir la apuesta una vez que ya llegamos ahí? Mucho riesgo, inteligente, torpe movida. Carlos, eh, sí, puede hacerlo, pero por ejemplo, si su entrada es de 0.10 y va a continuar con su entrada de 0.10, o sea, su punto de entrada sigue ahí en 36.47.97. Tocamos TP1, se regresa un poco, puede abrir un 0.02. TP2 se devuelve un poco, puede abrir otro 0.02. Pero siempre manteniendo el positivo de la entrada inicial y no arriesgando más de lo que ya venía ganando. Okay. The price not hit the you are grown owner. My friend, the price is in 36.50. What chart are you seeing, my friend? Well, if you don't like, just don't come here. If you don't like the TP2, my friend, as simple as that. These people, these people. Thanks. Reso $90. Okay, this is the max TP before the sessions ends. We have around 2 3 hours more for touch the TP3. So that's great. I'm the scalper. Cam currently profiting for 400 for Bailey. I open my positions for sure. That was a miracle. Good luck. Top Duck, my friend. Chances to hit TP3. Yes, we have chances to hit the TP3, my friend, at the end of the day in some hours. So, well, let's see. Set the break even, guys. I don't want to see anyone without break even. Mm-hmm. I don't want to see anyone without break even. The break even is now at least do one partial. One partial at this point. Crypto money is in $35. That's great. That's great. Reso is in $90. That's beautiful. $1,520 for SAC. That's great. I was sleeping and forgot to make out myself. Do you think it will be down the first? I don't think the price will down again. More than 1 year. Okay, it's too late to enter now. Yes, it's too late. We were into the point of entry for around 45 minutes. We were inclusive. Some people get a better point for this trade. So, well, this is for my friend Sanin 007. I think he is there. He always come here. He always said like, I think it's a bad idea because the price. No, no, no. But well, mhm, mhm. um, I don't know. I don't know if someone can clarify me why people some ask me like what is the request to be part of my community of Telegram or Discord. The request is only to pay the $79 and that's it. I don't know if other people in YouTube do a request or something. We want to clarify this. You know, like see what happened. They do a test or exam. Laurito and Rooney 200, 2,300 profit. Perfect, my friend. Holding position 50% now. So I take out with loose. Perfect, my friend. James, I think it's James. Okay, yes, my friend. Try to close that position. Never hold positions in negative more than 40 pips, please. Please. Mm. And guys, the entries, remember, it's 2 entries per day in Telegram. Today we did the first one in Tokyo session, full take profit, 110 pips. Well, was a really nice trade, the Tokyo session. Shout out to making more money than Laurito. I think many people here make more money than me. The only difference is I know how to manage my money in trading because, for example, I can win $100. Another guy can win $1,000, but most of the time that guy will be at the end of the month. That 1,000 dollars will disappear, and my first $100 will will increase a little more. So yes, that is the different. That is the different. For that reason, I explain, guys. It doesn't matter how much I'm going to win, how much is going to win. Never compare your your process with the other process. It's this race is you versus you. This race is you versus you, and that's it. Crafty, first time watching me. Perfect, my friend. Remember, guys, we are in break even. We already do the partials, please. Late to enter? Yes, it's very late. And yes, I read something happening in Poland. I don't know what happened in Poland. I don't think Graham is for Poland. So, well, guys, by my side, that's all. I'm going to enjoy my weekend with my family. Well, I really appreciate everyone here. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understanding this is trading, and we can make some money or we can lose some money. First of all, if you want to be part of the community, there is the link. $79 1 year subscription. See you soon, guys. Hold your positions. I will hold my positions. I will update any information into the Telegram if something happened. So or something happened in Discord. So yes, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for understand. Thanks for following instructions. And thanks for the good mood. That's important for me. Um, Tatenda. Thanks for Sniper. Thanks for being here. Graham, thanks for being here. Top Duck. Um, C Block. Crypto Money. Mooks, of course. Uh, Sander Summer. Kurgem. Susanna. Don Tom. Ray. And the many Mohammeds what we have into the chat. Thanks, Alex. Gracias por estar aquí, mi amigo. So, well, guys, beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful trade, a beautiful session for Telegram. 150 pips for Telegram. Beautiful. That was really nice. So, see you guys. See you soon. For sure, for books can be a mood, you know. Uh, it will be very helpful, you know. Today I don't see well, I don't see it too much. Sniper is here and Grim is here. Then Scott Elements. I don't know where is Elements. A little worry. Palaboy is in 75. My friend, nice to see you. Thanks, guys. Thanks. See you soon. Hold your positions in break even. Hold your positions in break even. Remember, please, please, please understand that if you want to be in uh, the BT market is the same promotion, 100 welcome bonus. But well, see you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understand. Always is a pleasure. I'll be back in Telegram for the next Tokyo session, and I'll be back for here in the next.